My name is Chelsea Wong and I'm from Singapore Chinese Girls' School. I have been with my teacher for around 3 to 4 years and I have taken science from P4 to Sec 1.
I am Brian and I'm from Enriching Secondary School. I have been with my teacher since I was primary 1. This year I'm secondary 1.
Hello, my name is Ashley Lim and I'm from St. Margaret's Secondary School. I've been with my teacher since I was primary 2 and I'm currently in Sec 2.
My name is Anika Sardin from Kranji Secondary School. I've been in my stretcher since P3, almost 5 years now.
I'm Tracy and I'm from Newtown Secondary School. I've been in my stretcher for 5 years since I was P3.
One of my favorite moments is usually during science class, we usually carry out experiments. It's a very fun hands-on activity.
For example, there's one day where we learn about the presence of starch. We watched the science teacher use different foods such as bread to test for the presence of starch by dripping droplets of iodine into them. We found that iodine on food like potato became blue-black, while iodine on sugar remained brown.
I liked helping my teacher conduct science experiments as in school, I do not have much of a chance to conduct experiments. So in my teacher, I can conduct these science experiments up close. I also like attending lessons every week with my friends, as my friends make the lessons very interesting. When I have questions, I can also ask them.
I find that my treasure teachers very engaging as they help me with the concepts that I do not understand. The teachers also encourage me to do well during exams.
Overall, I think all the my structure teachers are very responsible. I think especially Mr. Chu, he is very responsible and he always keeps my parents updated on my progress and even my test results. I think he has really made me improve in my science from a B to an A. I really appreciate his efforts in helping all of us to get a better grade.
Through the years, I found that each and every teacher is unique in their teaching style. There was one teacher who I approached personally after class as I did not fully understand the topic. They were willing to stay back for 5 to 10 minutes to answer my queries. The teachers were approachable and I did not really find any of them intimidating, unlike other tuition centers. The atmosphere in the classroom was also comfortable and was not awkward or tense.
I think my structure is really good as they provide us a lot with my materials, such as the e-study buddies, supplementary materials and the workshop and webinars. I think they really care about our students and this really helps us to boost our foundation on the topics that we need.
I think because of my structure, I was able to be one step ahead of my other classmates, where they didn't understand a certain topic and I was able to explain it to them.
I think the curriculum materials are useful because they let us learn more advanced things in lower secondary even though we are not in upper secondary yet.
The revision notes that my teacher provides me with, I have a lot of information and are also very helpful. The notes my teacher provided are short and brief summary. They are also very light and I can carry them everywhere.
Behind every worksheet, there will be supplementary practices for me to do. When I finish doing the supplementary practices, I can go on the MSE Study Buddy to check my answers and revise on my own.
I think by using my structure notes and the practice papers, I think the students can have a better foundation on the subjects and topics that they need help on.
I think that time management is a very important skill to have and when it comes to anything actually. Our schedules get tighter and busier as we age and we need to learn to adapt.
Ensure that you have a clean study environment and try to put your phone as far away from you as possible so that you won't be distracted when you are studying.
They should think of what they want to do and work towards that goal, as it is a long-term thing. So if you know what you want to do now, it is easier for you to plan in the future.